Indira Gandhi Matriculation School, Tirupattur, 18th Annual Day. Date 27/2/2026. Day Friday. Time 4 p.m. Place Alagappa Bhagyam Tirumana Mandapam. Presiding over Mr. P. Ganesan, BSc BN, MA BL, DLL. Founder Indira Gandhi Matriculation School. Secretary District Private Schools Association. In the presence, Mr. K. Muthukannan, MSc BN, President District Private Schools Association. Light and Lamp, Mrs. Sri Vidya Ganapathy, President Rani Velu Nachiyar, Lions Club, Sivagangai. Mrs. Selva Kumari, Inspector of Police, Tirupattur. Welcome address. Mr. S. Palaniyappan, MA B.Ed. Special address. Mr. P. Vadivel, MA B.Ed, MPhil, District Education Officer, Private Schools, Sivagangai. Prize distribution. Mr. M. Selvakumar, B.A., Deputy Superintendent of Police, Tirupattur. Felicitation. John F. Kennedy, B.E., Assistant Executive Engineer, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board, Tirupattur. Mr. P. Suresh Kumar, Manager, HDFC Bank, Tirupattur. Mrs. G. Egambal, Diploma in Nursing, Correspondent and 15th Ward Councillor, Tirupattur. Vote of thanks. Mr. P. Ramu, MCom B.Ed, Principal. We cordially invite one and all correspondent, principal, teachers, staff members, students, Indira Gandhi Matriculation School, Tenmapattu, KM Road, Tirupattur.